Alright guys, as you can see I'm out here at the lake. This is a private lake that's part of my family house's community. So I'm allowed to fish here. Fortunately, a lot of people can't just fish here. So I'm gonna fish around here, man. Got the bone Whopper Plopper 90. I actually never used one of these before. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it around and see what I can get, man. It wasn't recording, but what a topwater bite, baby, on the pickerel. Topwater on the picky, baby. Let's go. That thing just blew it up. I really wish I got that on video, guys. Nice little pickerel, man. He's about 13, 14. It's a good pickerel. It's right there in the water. Thank God he slid it off. Kind of felt bad for a second there, I can't lie. On the ploppy, baby. On the freaking ploppy. Oh, ploppers catch pickerel, catch everything, baby. So I'm gonna try to cast out back over that way. That guy was slimy as hell. On the plopper, man, that was awesome to watch that takedown. I am a terrible YouTuber. I wish I got that on video, man. But we got the catch. And if I had a boat and I can get out, this is, if you can see, guys, this is the only really public area. It's like the swimming area and the dock, but it's all open. There's no weeds, and they probably obviously do that on purpose. So there's a way I can get a kayak and kind of just pick apart those lily pads over there, pick apart that structure. I mean, that's why I guess I got the pickerel close to all those pads and laydowns. But it's kind of tough, man. I need one of those pedal kayaks. Unfortunately, I had to cut my trip short yesterday after catching the pickerel. But as you're watching currently, I decided to return to that same lake, and I was able to find some other spots of that lake that were actually open to the public. I also forgot to mention my setup. I'm using a 7'2" medium heavy rod, pairing that with my Lews bait casting reel, which is a 7:1 gear ratio. I'm using 20-pound braid, and I'm pairing that with a 14-pound monofilament leader, which is perfect when you're throwing topwater frogs, whopper ploppers, etc., because monofilament floats unlike fluorocarbon that sinks. So stay tuned, guys, because you are in for a surprise. Something hit it, and then I don't know what happened. Let's see if we get that guy to come back out, bud. Yeah, something ambushed it. I don't know what happened. He just didn't bite down enough. Really is. It's hard to not rock with this lure when I get only action on this thing. Got something. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish, guys. Holy crap. Big fish. This is another picky. Or is it a bass? Oh, nice bass. Oh yeah, boys. Big bass on the blow up ploppy. Let's go. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's freaking go. On the plopper. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Day 2. I was getting ready to get out of here. Started throwing the plopper around. And then boom. Huge blow up on a huge fish. Yes. Look at the size of this, guys. Look at the size of this. Look, huge mama. Huge mama. Oh, let's freaking go, guys. I'm just ready to see this fella, really. I guess I'm gonna eat some of these for lunch. Just pick them right off. Boom. Natural berries for lunch, baby. Man, it just started pouring out of nowhere, guys. I moved right off that island fast. There's like this abandoned house here, but there's no like undercover to it, so the best I got is under this tree. And like if I walk back, like there's literally just like the track that cat walks across the lake. I'm not trying to do that right now in the thunder, so I'm gonna have to wait it out, guys. Whew. It sucks. I'm stoked. Whatever. Well, this is life. Alright guys, I made it back alive. It was crazy because you guys will see earlier in the video, it was basically like an island, and I just heard crackling thunder in the distance. Immediately grabbed my rods and just run into the woods. As soon as I got under a tree, it just opened up downpouring. So I had to wait it out about 20 minutes, and finally I made my way back down because it was just a long trek all the way down. So we're back, guys, waiting around PA. We wait them local rivers, creeks, and thunderous lakes, trying to catch those beasts. Stay tuned, guys.